If you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrency, forex, stocks, and much more, be sure to check out TrendSpider. Link is in the description and the comment section. TrendSpider uses automated technical analysis algorithms to perfect your trades. Once again, link is in the description. This is not financial advice and invest at your own risk. Hello everybody, it is the Naughty Investor here, coming at you with another video, guys. If you enjoy cryptocurrency related content, be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a like on this video. Once again, hit that subscribe button and leave a like. That way the YouTube algorithm notifies you of all the latest and greatest cryptocurrency news. Let's get into it. We have a very good day for XRP, both from a fundamental standpoint and from a technical standpoint. We're going to start off with the fundamentals. We're going to start off with the news. Ripple has acquired crypto trading firm to expand into Iceland. Ripple and XRP are set for global domination. Let's get into the article and then I can give my thoughts. Ripple continues its run of acquisitions, announcing an expansion into Iceland with its acquire of crypto trading firm Agram in a blog post on September 30th. Ripple strengthens European presence. The acquisition adds 6 engineers to Ripple's ranks. This new team will play an integral role in its on-demand liquidity program, that is ODL program. Per the announcement, Iceland will now serve as one of the company's engineering hubs, joining London as another European base. Ripple's vice president of product said, quote, "This team hits the ground running as opposed to building out a team that has to gain this knowledge." So what he's saying here is that this team has everything they need, the knowledge and the tools to actually just come right out and start building, as opposed to having to train people and having to, kind of give them a little bit of a push. This team is ready to join Ripple and to start really building some great products. So I'm really excited for this. Agram and Ripple, a natural fit. Agram has integrated more than 30 markets into its developing crypto trading platform over the past 2 years. Its engineers bring more than a decade worth of experience to the Ripple team, according to the announcement. Agram's CEO described the decision to join Ripple as a natural fit, explaining both companies share a vision of enable widespread adoption of digital assets and blockchain technology, which aligns directly with what we've been working with towards for the past several years. Ripple announced last week that they acquired payments platform Logos Network through its Xspring initiative, and also announced a partnership with MoneyGram early this year. Guys, this is what I've been talking about in every video I make. Everyone's so concerned over the short-term price dips. They're missing the big picture. They're missing the forest for the trees, people. We have so much acquisition going on Ripple's end of things, and so many of these partnerships are just beginning, right? These are just beginning. The adoption is just beginning. Imagine where Ripple and XRP are 2 years from now. Imagine how many companies that they've partnered with, what the deals have come to, what the integration has come to. Things take time in business, right? Things don't happen overnight. Rome was not built in a day, and I think this is really awesome news, especially when you're looking at it from the fact that this is global. Everyone's focused on the United States. What's going on in the United States, and look, I live in the United States, of course. That is a concern. That is something I'm looking at. But globally, I mean, Ripple is set for global domination if they continue this. So I don't want to see any more comments of, oh, Ripple's selling XRP on the markets, that's going to reduce the price, whatever, right? Think long term. Ripple needs to sell XRP sometimes and give grants in XRP sometimes to establish these partnerships. Now, I'm not saying they did that specifically for this, but they did do that for the Logos partnership, because that was through Xspring, all right? So I don't want to see any more comments in YouTube of people complaining about Ripple, because they're making moves. Trust the process. They're making moves. They're getting out there, and they're actually acquiring companies and building partnerships and building a grand ecosystem, a global ecosystem for XRP. Okay guys, so next up we're gonna go over the technicals. So XRP up about 6-7% on the day so far, up above 26 cents just about. And you can see from the technicals things are beginning to look like they're improving, okay? And I've been talking about this price channel we've been stuck in for the longest time. And I basically made the point that either it's gonna be a big break upwards or a big break downwards. I get that's kind of a generic response, but it's the truth. And it looks as of right now, it looks like we're gonna break out of this to the uptrend, meaning we have to break about 28 cents to break above this. We're already at 26. It's very possible we break out of this price channel, which is a great thing, because if we break out of this price channel, that signals to the rest of the market that, hey, things are really looking bullish now, right? Things are actually looking positive, and that will encourage FOMO and other people to buy in, and that is, of course, a great thing. In terms of the Vortex indicator, we're still not even actually in the in a bullish trend right now, because the blue line is still under the purple line, but that just means we have more room to run, because when this does cross this purple line right here, this blue line, when this does have a crossing, that will indicate a very strong bullish sentiment in the market. We're already up. I get it, we're still up, but the market still isn't bullish because of the past few days of red candlesticks. So we do need a little bit more of a push to get above that, but I think that push will be breaking this price channel. That's what I'm hoping for. I'm really hoping we break out of this price channel. And guys, look, once we break out of this price channel right here at 28 cents, look at the next mark. The next mark is 30 cents, and that is the 100-day moving average. If we could get above the 100-day moving average, guys, things are really going to look bullish for XRP. So yeah, just keep your eye out for that. In terms of RSI, not much to say there. We're not in overbuying. We're not in overselling. We're just steady there. I'm happy with how RSI looks right now, and things are looking fairly well on the technical side of things with XRP. Now, it is possible, and I'm throwing this out there, it is possible tomorrow or the next day we have a pullback because of profit taking. All right, that's very possible. I'm throwing it out there as a possibility. Not saying it's gonna happen, but it definitely can happen. Just don't be discouraged if you see that. Okay guys, next up we have a little bit of a story over here. I'm not going to read this whole article just because it's so long, but it's talking about Binance and how this could have a far-reaching effect on the crypto market because of their launch in the US. For those of you who don't know, Binance has basically barred US customers from using their service. This happened a while ago. This shouldn't be news to anybody. Of course you could, I believe, just use a VPN to get around it, but that's besides the point. I'm not going to even get into that. And they're looking to, be back in the US, okay? And what this article is talking about is, will other exchanges follow suit? Will we have a bigger launch of exchanges in the US? And the main reason is, the main reason Binance even left the US, or barred US customers rather, is because of the lack of clear regulations. I mean, CZ does not want to be breaking any US laws. We know how that goes over for other companies, so he's being smart about this. I know a lot of people have been critical of CZ for leaving the US, but you have to remember, he's a businessman. He loves crypto. He wants crypto adoption, but he also doesn't want to get his business in trouble. So I think he made the right decision of pulling out of the US, but I think he's gonna actually make the, I guess, change the hater's mind, if you will, because he is going to be making a return to the US, of course. And what this article goes on to discuss is, will this bring about a flood of new exchanges into the United States crypto markets? And I think it's very possible it does, because if Binance does, and we have clear regulations on what's acceptable, what's not acceptable, what are the rules, what are the regulations, we very well can have a flood of new exchanges into the crypto markets, more exchanges, more competition, less fees, more protection. That's how the free market works. You want to have a lot of competitors. You don't want to have a monopoly. You want to have a ton of different exchanges out there for people to choose from. I think this is a good story. I'll link it down below if you want to check it out. Let's get into the market overview, and then we will wrap up this video, guys. So, of course, the market was green today. Bitcoin up 3%, Ethereum up about 6%, and XRP up about 7% on the day. Most of your top coins are in the green. Binance Coin up, EOS is up, Stellar is up, Cardano, Monero, Tron, IOTA, all are up. Dash is up. Most of your major coins are up today. The biggest gainer today was Cosmos, up 15%, and then Bitcoin Diamond, which is probably just a pump, up about 13%. Biggest loser today is Steel, down about 17%, followed by Hundi X down about 9%. Bitcoin dominance is just under 70%. We're at 67.5%. And total market cap is at just under 221 billion US dollars. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, once again, hit that subscribe button, leave a like on the video. I will catch you next time. Keep on hodling, and as always, have a great day. If you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrency, forex, stocks, and much more, be sure to check out TrendSpider. Link is in the description and the comment section. TrendSpider uses automated technical analysis algorithms to perfect your trades. Once again, link is in the description. This is not financial advice, and invest at your own risk.